Well, time to put it all back together. This is the head off of the planer, vertical head. My problem was a key was missing that slides up and down this screws keyway here. And that's what engages a gear to go into these gears so that it can automatically go up and down. This is the unit that was holding the keyway. You can see the keyway in there, hopefully. And the key was kept in place by a pin that went through this hole. And then this goes in here and is retained by a ring up here. So right now, my problem was getting that little tip out of that hole. So I ended up just having to take it all apart. Then I had to find a key. Well, that was impossible, so I ended up making one. This is a 3/16 key with a 3/16 round stud put onto it. Ended up lining up the hole here and drilling an 1/8" hole through the key, and then turning down a little stud that would fit on it. It's 3/16 on one end and 1/8" on the other. And then I drilled the hole all the way through, stuck it in, and then took it and peened it into I beveled the inside of the hole and peened that end in to keep it all in place. So far, looks like it'll work. It fits up inside here and ends up in this key right here. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Probably can't. There we go. So now you can see that little stud sticks in that hole, and then the key goes back in that way. I left it a little bit long so I could hopefully make it easier to get started on this key shaft. What happens is there's two different attachment points to that screw. This top one is threaded, and the screw threads through here and then engages that key in this shaft, and it's basically held in place as it turns and goes up and down. So now I've just got to put all this back together and re-engage it. This is a fiber washer that goes on the top. Then it's got a threaded collar to lock it. And then once that's inserted in place, this little bevel gear goes on to a shaft that is coming down through there. So that's the inner working. Basically what I have left to do is put some oil on this, get it in, get it adjusted right, and then put that other shaft in and go from there. Then reinstall it on the head, put it all back together, and go do something worthwhile. Probably in the next little video I'll show you it all put together and how it works. All right, time to get dirty.